everybody, welcome to a crafter's story. I'm here playing around with making this card, and using one of these, when you buy tissue boxes, we typically buy these square ones, and then you've got the top where, where's this thing, it comes like that, and then you have to open it up, and this little thing comes out as the closure or the seal. And I was thinking of Penny from Penny's Crafty Creations and her Deck of the Year, and I know that she has given us sort of artistic, creative license or room, if you want to call it, to use pretty much anything to alter as part of Deck of the Year. And I thought, man, this would be, I've been doing a few of these, and I thought that would be really, really great to incorporate in Deck of the Year. So I want to show you some of the examples that I've already put together using this little tissue box seal. And I'm really just honestly keeping it very, very simple, covering this little round oval piece of card in some decorative card stock or paper, and then using it as kind of part of a collage or card topper, I guess you could call it as well, on a card. So there's the one that I made, and then just to show you how versatile these are, here's the other one. I used three things: a backing, the oval, and a sticker. That's pretty much it. I think I got the most fancy with this one, where I used multiple stickers, and I put some gold leaf onto some packaging paper at the back here, and then some washi at the top and the bottom. But for the most part, my focal point is the oval. And so I thought, I'm making another one because I'm making a bunch of cards right now. I'm going to just take this paper, which was gifted to me, and I almost think it might have been Penny that gifted this to me. I'm losing track a little bit, and I should be more organized, and but I'm not. So I apologize in advance. But yeah, I think this, if I put this down on this card, where's my glue? My glue's over here. And I'm going to do this slightly quickly. I can always come back later and add a bit of glue here, there, and everywhere. All right, so there is the bottom of my card. And now for the actual Deck of the Year part, I have some of this pretty paper that is, I guess it's like mermaid shells, I think. So I'm just going to put some glue down here, then let that get that onto the, what have I done? I've got glue everywhere and dropped it. No. Oh man, that's okay. It's all right. Okay, so I've got the glue down there. My mess. Just as well I put paper down, right? Ay. Okay, so got that done. And then I'm going to, I know the glue is still wet, but I'm going to just cut this out. And then see how I can position it. I was always thinking of, when I thought of Deck of the Year, I thought, oh, I need to maybe do quite a bit on the deck. And then I thought, well, what if I don't, and I keep it simple, and I use it rather as part of a collage. And I hope I'm not breaking any rules. So Penny, you can let me know if I did. I hope not. But let's see. Okay, so here is my card again. This time I'm going to put, I've got some of the cardboard. Oh, okay, it's fine. I've got some of the cardboard sticking out there, but I think it's fine. I'm going to do that. Maybe just edge to get some definition, so separation between the backing and the oval, like so. Get some glue down here. Oh, come on. There we go. I got it. Like so. Okay, I think that's probably gonna do it. Let me put this. All right, so we've got some angles going here, guys. So that I think I'm not technically. Feel like I'm technically I feel like I'm cheating a little bit with the deck, but I am going to add to it. So this little flower I thought would look really cute down here. So let me put that on my card as well, like so. Pretty little flower. And then I thought of making this into a thank you card. You know, because that could be something I could add to some happy mail going down the line. Oh, so I've got this really nice sticker, which I thought I could put on my card as well. Maybe if I just put it kind of a little bit, should I ink this? I think I should ink it a little bit because it's so kind of, there's no separation. I don't know if that ink's even going to stay because it's a little glossy, but I'm going to put it, which way should I go? Maybe that way, like that. Okay, so it is a very, very simple card, you guys, and I hope it does qualify for Deck the Year, but I thought it was a way to alter something that I thought was a card, I guess. So yeah, let me then just get rid of all this. This is, no, I can't. There's glue everywhere. So here's my card, and it actually kind of turned out okay. I like it. I wasn't sure to begin with, but I like it now. So my little thank you card is ready to go when I need it. And then of course I have these as well, and I could still add a sentiment, maybe something like a happy birthday, happy anniversary, or another thank you, or get well soon, any of those. And then I've got this little 3D element. So on this one I have more stickers. I feel like I did alter that card a little more than I did with this one. And then there we have the butterfly as well. I kind of went with a butterfly theme unintentionally, but I did. So there's that one, and then this one, which is my favorite, just because it's got blue on it. I'm a little partial to blue. So, and then this one again with a butterfly. All right, you guys. Well, I hope that I sparked an idea and that I didn't break any Deck the Year rules. But these are somewhat altered, and that I see you next time. All right, bye.